RUD Australia was established in 1984, supplying and servicing innovative chain systems and solutions throughout Australia, New Zealand and the South Pacific. The cornerstone to our ongoing success is due to our unrelenting focus on our customers' goals through our great culture and our great people, technical know-how and passion for what we do. RUD in Germany was established in 1875 with 150 years of experience through over 500 registered patents, designing and manufacturing world-class chain solutions and lifting technologies. We've continued to be the innovator and market leader. Our continued investments in latest technologies ensures our long-term competitiveness. Our Australian facility has continued to expand into a manufacturing competence centre focused on high-quality bespoke solutions, utilising both our local and global experience. Our in-house testing capabilities and compliance with Australian and international standards provides our customers with peace of mind, knowing they have both safety and quality with fit-for-purpose solution. Our in-house team of highly qualified engineers work closely with our clients from design to manufacture, certification and commissioning. We are focused on solutions for the mining, defence, infrastructure, power generation and transport sectors. We also work closely with local like-minded industry partners, ensuring speed, reliability and high-quality Australian-made content. We are passionate about what we do and look forward to continuing to find new and innovative ways to surprise our clients as their long-term trusted partner.